Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today we're gonna do a very quick video just to help someone that may need to remove these window cranks. I already did a video showing other models which have a kind of clip inside, but this one it's very different. So don't forget to thumbs up if you are new, and let's go. If you saw my last video, I don't have these door handles because I removed to paint. But usually you have a handle right here and a cover. So I already removed, but basically, which will be easier to show you, but basically you have your window crank, and some models of many cars have a clip right here, but this one is a little bit different. You have a plastic cover and you need to pull it. Be careful not to break if you are not replaced for a new ones. And like this is what you get, and you have a screw here. All you need to do is to unscrew this screw and replace for a new ones, or remove it if you want. So let's install my new ones. Hope you enjoy. If you are not subscribed, please just subscribe, take a look at my other videos, and see you soon. Stay tuned.